New Age Products Bold and Pro Series cabinets can be installed anywhere in your garage to structurally sound wooden studs and concrete walls as permitted. New Age shipments can weigh over 500 pounds. We recommend having 2 able-bodied individuals present during the unboxing and installation. Depending on which cabinets you've ordered, additional cabinets may be nested inside of lockers for ease of shipping. Remember to unpack your cabinets onto a soft surface to protect the paint finish. When moving cabinets, close and lock the doors using the supplied keys. This will prevent the doors from opening while moving the cabinets. When moving the cabinets, use an appliance or furniture dolly to further assist you. Before getting started, make sure you have all necessary tools and your installation area is clear. It's important to verify that you've received all of the product parts listed in the install guide. Depending on your installation, you may receive extra hardware with each unit. Measure your installation area to make sure the set will fit the intended installation area. Note any obstructions within the installation area prior to installing. These may include uneven walls, raised concrete trim, or unfinished garage flooring. Proceed to checking the level of garage flooring. Most garage floors will either be level or slightly sloped toward the garage door. New Age Products cabinets can accommodate a 2-inch variance in slope from end to end of the set when installed on the leveling feet. When installing on a slight slope, always start with the first cabinet on the high point of your garage. Next, using a stud finder, locate and mark the center of the wall studs across the full length of the installation area. Using a level, draw vertical lines along the marked studs. This will help when attaching lockers and wall cabinets to the wall later during the installation. Move your first cabinet into place against the wall. Always make sure the leveling feet are screwed all the way in. Using the leveling legs, level the cabinet along the width of the cabinet, making sure it is flush against the wall. If cabinets are not leveled properly, you may experience problems with the door closing properly. Do not screw cabinets into the wall at this time, as small adjustments may be required later in the installation. Move your next cabinet into place beside your first leveled cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs accordingly so that the bottom of both cabinets are flush, making sure the fronts are flush as well. Each base and tool cabinet is constructed with mounting slots along the sides. This allows the cabinets to be installed flush against the adjacent lockers or recessed and mounted directly into the wall. Cabinets are attached together in each of the 4 corners using the provided nuts, bolts, and washers. Repeat this process for all remaining cabinets, making sure that each cabinet is level and flush with the adjacent cabinet prior to connecting. Once all the cabinets are installed, continue with the remaining worktops, backsplash, and wall cabinets. Wall cabinets are attached to lockers and to each other. Attach each of the 4 corners using the provided nuts, bolts, and washers. Individual wall cabinets can be supported by the adjacent locker during installation. Multiples of over 3 or floating wall cabinets will need to be leveled and screwed directly into the wall studs as you install them. To safely install multiple Pro Series wall cabinets, or for off-the-floor installation of Pro Series base cabinets and lockers, first install the included wall mounting brackets into your studs to initially support each hanging cabinet and to ensure a level installation. Once all cabinets are connected, start by leveling groups of wall cabinets and attaching them to the studs, followed by the lockers. Use the vertical lines drawn on your walls at the beginning of the installation process that mark your wall studs. Check to make sure all doors are level and in working order. Pro Series cabinet doors can be adjusted using the leveling hinge adjustment on the door hinges. Finish your installation by installing LED lights and other New Age Products accessories. Always consult your installation guide for extra installation tips prior to your installation.